What's up, world? It's your girl, Ghetto Hippie, in the house. We have two of my special guests today. We have two of my daughters. We have Amina and we have Elijah. What we're going to be doing today is like super fun. It's great for the holidays and cold weather and all that good jazz. So you know how we have s'mores and we do the bonfires and whatnot. So we're actually going to do s'mores hot cocoa. Yes, s'mores hot cocoa. That's what we're going to do today.
Mom.
So we're going to make some s'mores hot cocoa and let's get to it. Let's get right to it. All right, so what we're going to need is you're going to need some, of course, some graham crackers. Okay. We're also going to need the hot cocoa. We're going to use hot cocoa packs. So this is what we have here. You're going to also need nesquik. Okay. This is the powder form. And we have some Smucker's hot fudge. You guys can see that. And some cinnamon. Alright, ladies. So the first thing you want to do, I'm sorry, baby. I made 2 cups of milk. Some people like whole milk. Some people like 1%. Whatever is your preference, go for it. But we use 1% milk. We use 2 cups of milk. You want to go ahead and bring that to a boil. And once it comes to a boil and it gets nice and hot, let's get to it. That's what we're going to do next. All right, so you want 1 packet per cup. So since we did 2 cups, we're going to use 2 packets of the cocoa. So you can go ahead and put that over to the side. Okay?
Careful.
All right, so we're going to go ahead, Amina, go ahead and add. Be careful. Here.
Crazy.
Go ahead, and I'm gonna give you 1 pack. Careful. Go ahead and pour it in the milk, Mama.
All of it?
Good job. Here's your other one. Okay, put your empty packets over there.
Let's go for my hand.
No.
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna have Elijah go ahead and stir that up. When you stir it, you want to make sure that all of the cocoa is dissolved and there isn't any like clumps and chunks inside of it. So you just make sure little chunks of cocoa. Make sure it's not in there. All right.
Marshmallows.
All right. So now that that's nice and dissolved, we're gonna get to our next situation.
It do look like chunks.
Yeah. All right, so after you do the cocoa and you get it to melt, and if there's no more clumps in there, then you want to go ahead and actually add your nesquik. What this is going to do is make it a little bit more chocolatier. You go ahead and just sprinkle your amount desired, whatever you like, however chocolatey you want it to get. You're gonna go ahead and we're going to stir that in as well. It's gonna become a darker chocolate. Okay. This part doesn't take very much. It actually dissolves pretty quickly. Okay. So once that's done, you want to go ahead and fill your cup. Fill your cup with cocoa. Don't fill it all the way up because you want to fill the top portion of the cup with majority marshmallows. So we're going to do that. All right. Now, Elijah, go ahead and fill her up with some marshmallows. Go ahead and put marshmallows in yours. Remember to fill it up. Good job. I'm gonna put a little bit more in there.
I think my favorite part about this is the marshmallows.
I know, right? It's all gooey from the cocoa.
But remember,
all right, so once we do that, what you want to do now is you're gonna, after you do do that, you're gonna let your marshmallows sit in there just a little bit while you get your hot fudge nice and warm. The way I like to do that is I set the whole thing of fudge in some hot water, maybe for like a minute or so, not even that long, but you just want it to get melted. You want it to become melted so that you can put it on your graham cracker. Now, what we're gonna do with that is we're gonna go ahead and prepare the graham crackers. So go ahead, girls, and here's your graham crackers. Go ahead and break it into 2. Okay, break it in half. Perfect. Once you do that, you're gonna leave them there. Okay, and then now we're gonna grab our fudge. Would you put your fudge? Give me a spoon.
Oh, here it comes.
Put your fudge inside of a plastic bag. Okay, so what we're gonna do here, I think the easiest way to put your fudge in the sandwich bag would be try to put it toward the corner, because you're gonna squeeze the fudge out on the corner once we have a good amount in there. So just like this. Put it all in the corner.
And then we go bite it.
Okay.
Bite it.
And then
Nice go bite it.
so then you're gonna puncture a hole, or you can take scissors. Either one. It's a little safer to do with some scissors. All right, so I'm just gonna puncture a little hole. Take that plastic piece off. All right, so now what you want to do with this is you're going to actually drizzle the chocolate on your graham crackers. So we're gonna use the 2 bigger pieces here. I like to keep them together, just it's pretty. Okay, so I just drizzle it on here however you like. I don't put too much because, you know, obviously you're drinking cocoa, it's already chocolatey enough. You don't want it to get too sweet. All right, so just like that. See that? All right, and then this is how your cup should look with the marshmallows. All right, so now what you want to do is you're going to insert your cookie into your cocoa, like so. Just like this. Pretty. And we're going to go ahead and sprinkle some cinnamon on it. Just a little, and this is just for style, and just a little, you know, taste of cinnamon in there. And this is how it should look. And you're all done. That's it. And you can enjoy your cocoa. You don't love.
Just dip a little bit.
Go for it.
Put a little cinnamon on that.
Cinnamon.
You don't want too much cinnamon.
All right. How's that? How's that?
Good.
And that concludes the video. That's pretty much it. Just a quick, you know, twist to your cocoa experience. Like I promised, I was gonna give you guys some quick recipes that's nice and fun and tastes good. And that's it. That's what it is.
That's it.